Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to start a new discussion on Zotero. Once you're at the top here, click on forum, and this is going to take you over to the forum section here where you can start your own discussion. If you look here, you will see some current discussions that are currently going on, and if you want to start something new, you can easily do so by clicking a new discussion on the upper left hand side. You just need to go ahead and enter your title, so you can ask whatever you want. So you can go ahead and ask whatever topic you want. Just go ahead and put in a title. So I'm going to quickly ask it, what is better, Zotero web app or the install version? Does anyone know? You can start this discussion. All you have to do is just fill in the title and a little description. This could be more or could be less. And all you have to do now, guys, is to go ahead and click and post discussion. You can save it as a draft, you can preview it or whatever. But all you have to do is just simply go ahead and post the discussion, and once you do that, that's gonna go ahead and post your discussion for you. And that's all there is to it, guys. Once you go ahead and you post your discussion will appear here in the list, and that's gonna be it, guys. That's how to go ahead and start a discussion. You can always click on your discussions, you can see your drafts, you can do all of these different things once you post the discussion and it's live. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.